Okay, class, gather round, gather round. I'm going to show you footage of the ISS that I took on my phone. And this is going to prove to you that the ISS is really up there. Aren't you excited? All right, take a look. See it? It's there, right? Look at it. It has to be in space. But, but, but teacher, that just looks like a plane to me. It's the ISS. Uh, right, class? It's the ISS, right? Ha ha ha. Take another look, BS detector. Why is it moving so slow, teacher? It's not. That's just how we perceive it. Right, class? Yeah, teacher. Uh, uh, okay. So, my teacher says that's just how we perceive it. It's just moving really slow, right? Looks like any other plane. Looks like a high altitude plane, to be honest. And then we realize it's supposed to be going 4.76 miles per second, orbiting around the Earth. Do you know what an orbit is? It's when something literally falls around the Earth. It's constantly falling. In the max speed, according to Wikipedia, the most reliable source out there, it's going 17,150 miles per hour. Wait a minute. That's pretty darn fast, teacher. I mean, look at this footage. Is that going 17,150 miles per hour? I mean, you have to be the judge of that. Is it? Look, is that going 17? You can't even imagine what 17,150 miles per hour is because it's more than double the speed of sound. That's how fast it's going. The speed of sound is 768 miles per hour. Hmm. So it's more than double the speed of sound. Oh, okay. Didn't look like it was going more than double the speed of sound. But never mind that. We're going to see if it's even possible to see. And the facts we'll need to calculate how tiny it is and how far away it is the distance from the Earth to where it is in orbit. And the answer I got is 249 miles. All right. And the other fact, quote fact, we'll need is how big it is. And they say it's 356 feet by 240 feet. Oh, okay. Let's just visualize how tiny the ISS is. It's tiny. I mean, it's not even two full football fields. And we can see it from, what is it, 249 miles away through the atmosphere. It's not even two football fields big. I can sprint across it. It's not big, guys. It's not big. So I'm going to prove to you that it's impossible to see. The next fact we're going to need is how high are clouds? And the answer I got is 20,000 feet, right? 20,000 feet, and those are the high level clouds. Okay, so let's visualize this. Here's the ISS, 356 feet by 240 feet. That's in the blue. And I did all of this in AutoCAD, and I calculated all of the lines, so they're all to scale, so you can't use that as an excuse. Then we're just going to zoom out a little bit. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Okay, now it's a little bit tiny. Now it looks like what it looked like in that video we saw earlier, but that's not even close to what it actually should look like. Do you see it anymore? And we haven't even hit the ground yet. We can't even see Earth yet. We still have hundreds of miles to go. See that little pink line? That's the 20,000 feet mark. We haven't even hit the ground yet, and the ISS is out of view. To put this into perspective, this is what's happening. See that big yellow line, which is 200 and what? Say it with me, 249 miles. That pink light is 20,000 feet. Here's a picture of clouds at 20,000 feet. That's pretty high up in the air. Not gonna lie. But that's not even the problem. Do you see the 6-foot line? Imagine you're 6 feet tall on the earth. Do you see that line anywhere here? No? Yeah, exactly. But it's there. You're just super tiny. So you think your super tiny body can literally see 249 miles up to see a spacecraft that's only 300 and what was it again? Tell me what it was. 356 feet in width, 240 feet in height. Oh, okay. I mean, what kind of magical ability lets you see that far? It's a speck. It's not even supposed to be visible. Look, that just looks like one big yellow line, right? That pink line is 20,000 feet. That pink line is 20,000 feet. And you think you can see something that's 300 feet across? 249 miles away. I mean, you have to be an absolute idiot to believe you can see the ISS from Earth with the naked eye. With an iPhone camera, you can't see it. With any camera, you can't see it. So I'm calling BS on seeing the ISS from Earth because it's impossible. Nobody has ever seen the ISS from Earth.